thanks for checking out Nature's Defense. Nature's Defense is an organic granular repellent that uses natural ingredients to repel different pests from your property. There are two different formulas. One is for 20 different animals, covers 3,500 square feet, repels deer, rabbit, raccoon, skunk, squirrel, and other pesky animals. The rodent formula is for rats and mice, can be sprinkled inside structures to repel rodents during the cold weather season. No traps, no poisons. It's safe around pets, plants, and children. Use Nature's Defense today and repel your pests the natural way.